We turn now to the 2024 presidential race. Republican frontrunner Donald Trump is now asking the U.S. Supreme Court to overturn a ruling in Colorado that banned him from that state's primary ballot. And it comes with the first voting just 11 days away. NBC's Garrett Hake covers the Trump campaign. So, Garrett, tell us about this appeal that the Trump legal team has filed with the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, Savannah, Donald Trump and his attorneys are making the case that the public has a right to vote for the candidate of their choice and that Congress alone has the authority to decide who's eligible to appear on ballots, not state courts. This is in response to this Colorado Supreme Court ruling declaring Mr. Trump ineligible to be on the ballot because of his role in the January 6th attack on the Capitol, something Mr. Trump's lawyers are now pushing back on, claiming that there was no insurrection for him to have been a part of at all. Now, several courts in other states have dismissed similar attempts, but last week, Maine's top election official ruled Mr. Trump ineligible there for the same reason. So he's appealing that decision, too, and he'll remain on the ballot in both states while this process plays out.
And speaking of, you have the campaign trail happening right now. You've got these ballot issues going, but Trump's kind of got this Obi-Wan Kenobi thing happening where the more these things come against him, the stronger he seems to get within the Republican primary field.
Always happy for a political Star Wars reference, Savannah, and you're right. I mean, Trump maintains this commanding lead in the Hawkeye state, and that contest now increasingly looks like it's a battle for second place between Ron DeSantis and Nikki Haley, who both had to defend Trump and are basically set to square off in a debate next Wednesday that could influence that second place decision. And it comes during a month where Mr. Trump faces multiple court proceedings. He'll be back and forth for hearings on the election interference case in D.C., civil fraud trial in New York, that we know he plans to attend. All of it creates this unprecedented political split screen. Meanwhile, President Biden is set to give a speech now tomorrow, marking the January 6th anniversary. He's expected to cast Trump as a threat to democracy. That's become a key part of his campaign message. Savannah?
All right, Garrett, thank you, and may the force be with you.
And also with you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.